My name is Anne and I'm the Destination Manager for Oyster Worldwide for the Romania Bear Sanctuary. I was lucky enough to volunteer myself at the sanctuary in 2009 and I spent 12 very happy weeks working hard alongside the bears. Many years later, this is still one of the best things that I have ever done. The Bear Sanctuary is Oyster's longest running animal welfare project. It is such an important project as it aims to rescue bears from awful pasts. The sanctuary was created in 2007 with an aim to rescue bears that were being mistreated. This could have been kept in cages outside hotels to attract tourists, being dancing bears in the streets, being circus bears, and even living in tiny cages in zoos that just simply weren't good places for these bears to be. Not only does the sanctuary help and rescue bears, they also take in many other animals that need help. There is a huge number of dogs, horses, donkeys, and other animals that have been rescued and rehabilitated over the years. What do I love most about this job? It's definitely getting people involved in an incredible experience. I was so lucky to enjoy this project in 2009 and in the subsequent years that I've been back. It just felt amazing to be able to work with some of the world's most beloved animals, to provide them the care that they needed and to every day be doing something positive so that these amazing bears could live a life as close to the wild as possible. So generally volunteers arrive at the sanctuary at about 8-9 o'clock in the morning. The main task at the sanctuary is the food preparation. You may also be lucky enough to join the staff on the feeding rounds, where you get to see the bears coming out of the forest to receive their yummy food that you've prepared for them. Other tasks can include general maintenance of the sanctuary, maybe helping out with some of the many other animals that have been rescued there, feeding the dogs, for example, brushing them down. One of my favourite parts of the sanctuary is that the staff there completely understand that you are there to enjoy the bears. You're giving your time, you're helping them. So when the work is done, then you are free to roam the sanctuary, to enjoy watching the bears, enjoy their new habitat. Romania is a wonderful country. It's so green, it's so mountainous, it's relatively unexplored by most people who've travelled Europe quite extensively. The sanctuary is nestled in the foothills of the Carpathian Mountains, very close to the beautiful medieval city of Brasov. It has huge churches and beautiful squares, lots of bars and restaurants and cafes, and it's just really alive. It's a lovely place to be based. If I were to give other volunteers some advice based on my experience, both of being a volunteer but also running this project, is just to embrace everything. The rewards are the bears, to be able to see them enjoying their freedom, chasing each other, playing, splashing in the pools, climbing trees, trying to get at the bear ice cream, and you'll have a really amazing time.